Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. We are on day 2 of street sales, and again today no sales, but it's okay. Remember I told you my hometown kind of sucks at selling. So we will be hitting the ATL streets this coming weekend. I have given it 2 days in LaGrange and got exactly what I expected, so no worries. We are going to hit those streets in Atlanta and get these baskets sold. I did make several business contacts here in LaGrange, but you all know how that can go too. So this is my setup for day 2, and it was a beautiful day and we enjoyed ourselves. So make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Keep your heads up because mine's still up there and I'm not going to stop or give up. Thank you all for your support. We are almost at 1K, so make sure you share the videos out. And thank you for tuning in. You all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.